Ready?
Go for it.
I'm gonna shoot him in the head again, I guess.
Now shoot him in the left shoulder.
Left shoulder.